Hello everyone, today's video is how to make an anti-aging mashed potatoes. The ingredients have so many healthy nutrients along with vitamins and minerals that's going to help you glow from the inside out and promote healthier skin because it'll prevent free radicals along with help clear up like your dead cells in your skin and promote better blood circulation for a better pH balance for your skin. So here we go. What I have is a 32 ounce of organic bone broth, along with a whole bulb of freshly pressed garlic, and 2 pounds of red potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and add the broth. And then the garlic. Around in there, and then add the potatoes. These are 2 pounds of potatoes, in case I didn't mention. They're like medium potatoes, and I sliced them in half. If there's not enough broth to cover the potatoes, then you'll go ahead and add just some water to it. So these will cook around 30 minutes, depending when it gets tender. And I always find it around 30 minutes, but it depends on your stove too. I go on medium heat. Hey, they're complete. So all I'm going to do is scoop them out. I added 4 tablespoons of a stick of butter, so half a stick. I'll just put them in a bowl because I'm going to mix them up. Okay, and I'm going to add the broth in there, some of it, and as I mix it, I may add more. So it actually took like 25 minutes to cook. It depends on how many potatoes you're actually cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and add more broth. So you just get it to the consistency that you like for a mashed potato. So I'll just go ahead and mix it, and then I'll be back. Okay, I have it on a plate, and I always use a smaller plate for a smaller portion, because you want to eat in moderation. Even though it's healthy, you don't want to eat too much. I have the anti-aging mashed potatoes, along with steamed cauliflower and broccoli, and a portion of salmon. So let's give it a try. Delicious, very good. I'll tell you, you'll love it. And like I say, even though just knowing that you're putting something good in your body even makes it taste even better because you're doing your body well. So if you like the video and you like the recipe, then give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed us yet, then please subscribe. And like always, have a happy, fun, safe, and blessed day. Bon appetit!